My parents always provided for me. I haven't always appreciated that loved one. But the turning point towards my success began meeting folks outside my bloodline. I never want to bite the hand that feeds me, but sincere criticism will have a parent thinking my child is trying to embarrass or please me. Then they perform the silent treatment and mock their child. And tell family and friends my delinquent son/daughter is going through a legitimate trial. Parents sometimes feel as if they are God, though they raised me and brought me to birth. Child, what would you do without me? But they are not the parent of the universe. Alright? The day my parents abandon me and get out, as I live in the streets and eat at the soup kitchen, I will live, no doubt. No matter what they do to me, I hold no grudge. Somebody passed down to them what they passed down to me. Understanding that helps me to love. I would love to keep this a private matter and respecting my mom, but what do you expect when she likes to disrupt my explanation with her? I'll burn. Alright, son, I already know what you're gonna say. But if I interrupt, mother, I'm the one in disgrace. Only thing left to do is to write a poem and present the case. Maybe then the world of immature communication will begin to erase. When I grow old and my parents pass away, who will be my God? I pray to God and read the Bible because parental discretion is designed.
Question about Brother Cal. Everywhere his manhood as an animal began to punch out. You can't see the punches, so he was so high to your measure. Man for the homicide on the inside of the building and constantly getting greater. He can't understand, so he gives those cups to the man, but not upstairs. So the problem is still there. The resident took the off my brother's brain to make us pocket strain. Mine is very hard to strain. How are you supposed to make the economies on the rise instead of consistent? He sees how society is encouraged in the living in his head. That's what I mean. Nobody so often see, all he knows is that baby's got to eat. Nubian died. Realize your strength and know that I got your back in this step of the way. The ability to measure grams and kilos of crack cocaine simply displayed how you the attention. Your ability to accumulate curves, calculate, and keep track simply displays how you can be an economic. Your ability to acquire facial clientele simply displays how you can be a phenomenal salesman. It's breaking my heart. I'm ready for you to make a new start. The truth of breaking your power is worse when you no longer restrained by the bounds of any man's change. Because I give a little more love and a little less power. Give a little more belief in you so that you're face to face and more. My every strength, your signature find strength, and the words of the heat, the whole love God, it isn't in the news. So here's how you live. By realizing your weight. Don't let the eyes of feet your spirit from telling how the army you need. Because of the get. It is a surprise. There is a weight of this mind that don't just sit there and die out. You are an imperative element to my future. Take my hand and city and king, because we can do this together. That's it. I love you.
You really think I enjoy this violence? Sitting around watching while innocent souls dying? You think this is entertainment for me? If I wanted entertainment, I turn on the TV. Living by Waterfront Park and Sun while I'm out watching fireworks but hearing guns. They started letting off up the street last week as soon as we got out of COVID. All of this craziness, I just ain't beat. Nowadays you ain't safe unless you packing heat. It ain't fun when your homeboys got beef each week, and then you pick up the paper and read that your homeboys under 6 feet deep. It ain't fun when you chilling, sit back at home, and then someone calls up your phone and says your boy was in a car crash, and he started to say your homie's dead and gone. It ain't fun having to bury your little baby cousin because she was run over by a school bus when she was such a beautiful pearl. Her smile was illuminating, and now her skull is crushed in. It ain't fun being so young and so full of emotions. The kind of shit feel, it makes no sense. Happiness, joy, nah, that came and went. Sadness, sorrow, that's all we have left. So before y'all start judging, criticizing our generation for the violence, I want y'all to stop talking. Moment of silence. Listen to the sound of my voice. Can you feel the beat of my heart? I'm a person, a citizen, just like you, and I know that we need to be started. But this change ain't gonna happen overnight, and if we want something done, then we must do it right. We need our elders to stand up and help us fight, so that we can all see Trenton in a brand new light. We are a city, bound up in chains, just watching our innocent brothers and sisters be slain. I know you're tired of all this hurt and pain. Stand up with me, let's make this change. Yeah, I know, I'm just one person, but if just one pebble in the water can set the seed in motion, then just imagine the commotion that we can raise. My favorite Disney Channel phrase is, we just show a little love, then heaven knows we can change. So if each and every one of us becomes a pebble in the waters of Trenton, we can make a mighty wave.